I'm going to show you how to take model and then use it on LTSpice. So first of all, I'm going to take one example. I'm going to from website and I'm going to take this components model that is a diode, Scott Keeper diode. So to get the model, you just go right here, go tools, click it, and then here you can see some other models and also the LTSpice model that we are going to use in this case. So just click it. You have to accept the license agreement and then you can click the download. Since I've downloaded it, I'm going to skip this and we can just go straight here to the download. This is the file that I got. So we have to extract it first, but I've done it. And so this is the folder and this is the file. So in order to open it, we just need to drag this item to the LTSpice and then it will be open like this. So here's the model for the RB068V and BWM30TF. So there are several ways to use this model right here in LTSpice. The first one is just to copy this, click copy, and then we go to the schematic where we use the component. So I'm going to just delete this stuff and then put new diode like this. Okay, so we paste the model that we've just copied to the spice directive like this and then paste. Okay, after that we need to edit this value right here by right clicking it and change the value to the series of the component. For this example, it's DRB like this. Okay. So as a note, this value here should be the same as the one here. So after the model. So that's it, and we can just run this stuff. Use this one. There you have it. So it works as it should. It works as intended. You can even see the voltage drop there. Okay, so that's basically the first method. The second method is to copy this model to the schematic to the components standard library. So I'm going to just delete this. Okay, So we open the lib file, the library file for the model, and then copy this. We are going to paste it to another file. So the file that we're looking for usually located in C, and then username. It depends on your device and um, where you save your LTSpice. Then app data, and then local LTSpice, then lib folder, and then you can see these three folders here: CMP, sub, and sim. This is for symbol. This is for SUBCKT, and then this is for component, standard component libraries. So we open the CMP, and then for my case, this is a diode, and so I'm going to uh, open the standard.diode, which is this file. I'm going to open this using a text editor. I'm going to use Notepad here. Okay. Here I'm just going to paste this like this. That's it. And then save it. Okay. Then we go to the preview schematic, and then we should see the components here. So we right click the diode like this, and then click new diode. There you have it. You can use this component with the model intact like this. Okay, and then you can just rerun this schematic. See, there you have it. So that is the second method that you can use. And then the third method is to copy this file, not this text, but this file to another location, and then yeah, we are going to do this after. Okay, to make sure that the second method does not affect the how this stuff works, we're going to edit this again by deleting the model text, and then save it by Control S. Okay. Now we are going to copy the file. Okay. So the previous file location is here. So I'm going to copy this. Copy. And then I'm going to paste this to such location that is similar to the one to my schematic file. So this is my schematic. I'm going to open the file location like this. Okay, copy this, and then we open it here. Explore. Okay, I have added it here, so basically you just need to copy that file here and paste it here. So that's it. I've done it. So to use this file, we just need to go back to the schematic and then use the spice directive like this. Here's the syntax: dot lib space the file name. So we need to copy the file name. Okay, paste. Remember to add the text, the file type in this case is lib because it's a lib file. So click OK. Just want to put it here, and then here we can see that it does not appear here. So wait, I'm going to delete this. Okay. Sorry. Now we have to rename the diode. It's same as the previous one, which is RB. Sorry. We actually need to change the value. So wait, I'm going to delete this. Add new diode. Change the diode name to be RB068 AWM. Okay, like that, because this one should be the same as the strings of or the text after the models inside this library. Okay, then we can rerun this. We can find definition of model. Select OK. Okay, there should be a problem here. It's here. Okay, since it does not work, I think I should check this here. So open the settings and then search path. So I haven't added this path to the library search path, and so we are going to add that. We click path, copy, and then paste it here. That's it. Okay. And then we run. Hope it works. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we forget the D character, so we are going to change this. Okay. Run. See, it works. It works, guys. So, see, it works as it here as it needs to work as it should be. Okay, that's basically the third way. And regarding to the file location, we can actually change whatever location that we want, but the note is that you have to make sure you have right the path here on the search path on the LTSpice settings. So this one, I have two paths here. This is the one in download, And the second one is close, not close. It's same as the schematics files location. I can actually delete this and it should be fine. Okay. Because basically if you place the library same as the schematics location, it does not need to be listed here in order to work. And so we are going to try that and then run. See, it still works. It might not work if I delete this text here, but it should work because I have another path which is listed in LTSpice, and then I also have the file on that location which is in download in this folder. So that basically is how you can add models to your LTSpice and use it. And there are pros and cons in each method, and you have to choose it wisely because some are easier, but you have to do it again and again. For example, if you want to use the spice directive one, you have to copy and paste that in every schematics where you use the component. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.